Hello everyone, I have the food, so I'm going to make this unboxing really fast. This is my NatureBox trial box. It came in, it's reminiscent of a really good quality shoebox. It did receive some damage in transit, but all of my things were perfectly fine. It comes with the invoice that tells you what you ordered. I ordered these things. It comes with a pamphlet that describes some other things that I could have ordered, along with these little uh, things that have the trial box invite on them, so that you can get a trial box yourself. And I'll put that in the description box, so you can just click on it. NatureBox has a Facebook, a Twitter, a Pinterest, and an Instagram. So if you want to visit them and check them out beforehand, that's fine. I ordered the French vanilla almond granola. I love granola. So I ordered 2 different types. No, I ordered 3 different types now that I think about it. The French vanilla, the cherry vanilla granola is awesome. I ordered the pistachio power clusters, which is nut squares with almonds, cashews, and pistachios. The blueberry, wild blueberry, flat granola, which I don't like granola. And the peanut butter num-nums, which are mini peanut butter cookies. Oh, okay. Hey, I got a bonus snack. This is maple habanero pretzel pops, which are maple and habanero favorite pretzels. Oh, they're round. Cool. Yeah, so you fill out a little form when you're ordering, and it just tells you things you like and things you don't like, flavors you like and flavors you don't like. So they were able to send me something that they knew I would more than likely like. Excuse me, I had to catch my breath. So that was the little bonus thing they sent me. I don't know if every trial box gets a bonus, or it's just something different. I don't know. Now, the pistachio clusters are firm. The peanut butter num-nums are kind of soft. They're like a little soft cookie. And that is I'll do a taste test when I don't have the food, so that I can actually taste these things, because right now I can't taste anything. This was not sent to me by the company. I requested it. So this unboxing is not sponsored at all. I just want to let you guys know that. It looks like they range from like 3 ounces to like 5.9 ounces. It's a nice snack. It's definitely not a meal, but it's enough to get you over the hump. And it has less than 200 calories per 30 gram serving. No hydrogenated oils, no artificial colors, sweeteners, or flavors, no sulfates. It's high quality nutritious ingredients, thoughtful sourcing, and yeah, that's that. That's nutritionist approved. And they also said 1 meal for every box that they deliver. That's what's at the back of the pamphlet. So I hope you